everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, hi, my name is Suchishmita. Please check out my channel. If you like my channel and if you like my content, then please don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications bell on. So today, as you can see by the thumbnail and the title, I'm going to make a video about MyGlam. So a little introduction about the brand MyGlam. So MyGlam was launched back in the year 2015, and right now it has come a long way. It launched with a few products and they have a variety of collection right now. You can, if you check out their website, I'm going to link down their website in the description. So if you check out their websites, you can find a variety of products, a variety of collection that they have, and you will get to choose a lot of products from their collections. So go check out their website and browse through the products that they have, and I'm sure that you will find what you're looking for. So I have quite a few products from each of their collections, so definitely there are going to be future videos coming up on my channel. So if you want to be updated, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications bell on, because you will get notified every time I upload a video on my channel. So today I'm making a swatch and a review video of the lipsticks from MyGlam's Lit collection, and they come in a packaging like this. Okay, like this. So all of the MyGlam products, I must say, comes in a very good packaging. They are very hardy. So everything inside the packaging is protected when they are shipped. So this is the outer packaging of the lipstick. As you can see, MyGlam Lit Liquid Lipstick written over here. And if I flip the packaging, then you can see the manufacturing date and the expiry date is written, and the price of the product. So each lipstick retails for rupees 395, and over here the shade name is written. So if we take the lipstick out of the packaging, then you can see it comes in a very nice sturdy plastic packaging, and the cap of the packaging is also of plastic. This is very sturdy, so it will protect the product really well. And if we see on the bottom of the lipstick, then you will be able to see the shade name and also the shade number. So from the packaging, as we can see, the lipstick is clearly visible and it is the color of the lipstick. So say if you have a number of lipstick and they're already out of the packaging, then it would be very easy for you to see the lipstick color from outside and choose the color that you want to wear. So the lipstick which I have has a manufacturing year of 21 and used before year is 24. So we have 3 years to finish off this product, which is quite well. So before we get on to the swatches, I want to tell you that these lipsticks, all the Lit Liquids lipsticks from MyGlam, are highly pigmented, and you have to go over just once on your lips to get the full color, to get the full coverage. You don't have to go over and over again in the same place to apply these lipsticks. So this is something I love about this lipsticks range. They are non-sticky, transfer proof and kiss proof, and these lipsticks are highly mattifying, and these are also waterproof. So say you're wearing this lipstick outside in summer and it's very hot, and nowadays we always have to wear a mask. So while we wear the mask, this portion tends to sweat a lot, and say your sweat is dripping down, your lipstick wouldn't come off. It wouldn't come off at all till the time you're not having anything. If you're having anything, then this portion and this portion would come off, which is pretty natural for all lipsticks. So this is a very good lipstick for rupees 395 that you're getting from MyGlam. And although they retail for rupees 395, you can get these lipsticks for rupees 99. So 99 is the standard shipping charge. So basically you're getting this lipstick for free. How to get these lipsticks for free, I will tell you on the later part of the video. So right now let's get on to the swatches. I have 4 total lipsticks from this range which I'm going to swatch today and show you the colors, and also will tell you which one of them is my favorite. So these lipsticks are matte lipsticks, so they are mattifying on your lips. So if you're someone whose lips gets really dry, then I would recommend you to not apply these lipsticks directly on your lips, but first put a lip balm and then apply these lipsticks. So these lipsticks after application dries down really quickly, but if you're wearing a lip balm first and then applying these lipsticks, it will take up to 1 minute to dry down completely. Now let's talk about the tip of the applicator. Now the tip will allow precise application of the lipstick, and it will be very convenient for you to apply the lipstick on your lips without making any mistakes. So as you can see, the lipstick has dried down completely, and if I press my lips firmly, see, the lipstick is non-sticky and it is non-transferable as well. See, nothing is on my hand. See, nothing is there. Now the look is completely put together after the application of the lipstick. Otherwise there was something off in the beginning. So this is a really pretty shade. This color will also suit different skin tones. So My Glam has 101 shades of this range. So really they have all the shades from reds, pinks, blues, purples, yellows, blacks, grays, browns, everything. So definitely if you're looking for your favorite shade, you will get over here. So since these lipsticks are highly mattifying, taking out these lipsticks easily would be difficult. So my suggestion would be, if you have a cleansing balm or micellar water, you can take out these lipsticks using that. If you don't have a product to take out the lipsticks, then everybody has coconut oil in our homes. So you can apply a good layer of coconut oil on your lips and then allow the oil to get absorbed to your lips for 2-3 minutes, and then you can easily take out the lipsticks using a cotton pad. And if you're trying to take it out using water, then you can, but really you have to rub your lips really well, and you will see bits of lipsticks coming out, but I wouldn't recommend that because it would be harsh for your lips and could harm your lips, and always be gentle to your lips. So this shade is called DTF. It's a very pretty, nice purple color, but unfortunately I don't think it's suiting me really well. But this is a really nice color. This is a really pretty color. I love this color. So this shade is called Hookup. As you can see, it's not suiting me at all, so it's my least favorite color. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow. If you want to use the Lit Liquid lipsticks as your eyeshadow, they are really easily blendable. You can put like 3-4 dots on your eyes and blend it with your eyeshadow brush. So now the color payoff is nice, so anybody who wants to go for this shade, you can go for this shade, but it's not my favorite. So this shade is called Cuffing. It's a very pretty pink shade. It's a really nice shade, as you can see. And this is actually the first ever lipstick that I own from this Lit collection. And I got this lipstick for free by only paying ₹99 as the shipping charges. So I'll tell you how to avail these lipsticks for 99 only. So My Glam has this survey. You need to fill this survey. So in this survey, MyGlam wants to know how you want your products to be. They want to know how you like your products and the way you like your products to be. And they will curate and make the products by taking this survey. It will hardly take 2-3 minutes. So you can fill this survey and get MyGlam Lit Liquid Lipstick absolutely free. I will put the survey link down below in the description. You can click on the link and that will direct you to the survey page. You can fill out the survey and get MyGlam lipstick absolutely free by just paying the shipping charge, that is 99 rupees. Now coming to the favorite shade, what is my favorite shade out of the 4 lipsticks that I have? This is the shade that I like the most. I think it's a very bright pink color. It will suit all skin tones, and if I want to go to a function, I'm wearing something pink and this will look very nice. I also think the slow fade one suits me very well, so I also like that shade. And the least is the hookup one, that didn't suit me at all. So let me know which one suited the best for me according to you, and which of the shades that you would like to buy for yourself, which one you liked. If you also have these lipsticks, let me know which are the ones that you like so that I can also try for myself. So as I said, I own quite few products from MyGlam and their collection, so there are many more MyGlam videos coming up in the future. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're interested. Also don't forget to connect with me on my socials, that is Instagram and Facebook. Also the links to my socials are down below in the description. So this was all for today. See you until the next time. Bye.